So children, let's start the reading. A Little Fish Story. There are a great million fish in the seas, but this story is about just one of them, a very small one at that. Okay, so might be you have observed that where there is comma, I wait for a while, right? So you also have to do the same thing while you are reading something, that wherever there are comma, you have to wait for a bit, and wherever there are full stops, then you have to wait for some more time. Okay, so this story was about a little fish, as there are millions of fishes in the sea, but this story is one of the fish which is very small. Okay, so now this little fish had everything in the sea to make him contented, but he was not happy. You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. He was unhappy because he was so very small. Now here is a new word, that contented. What is the meaning of contented? Contented is satisfy. That means to make him happy, he had everything there in the sea, but still the fish was not happy. Then the narrator is saying that if I'll tell you the reason why the fish was not happy, then you'll laugh. Then you'll definitely laugh. Because the reason was so silly. The reason was the size of the fish was very small, and because of that, the fish was not happy. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, he would say over and over again. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. And he said it to so many times that I think he believed it. Now what happened is, he keeps on thinking that I am such a small fish among all the big fishes. He said that if I would be a big one, then I would be much happier than this. Okay. So what happened is, he used to think that I am very small, I am of no use, and he think that if I would be a bigger fish, then how much happier I would be. Okay. One day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. When suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Now what happened one day? They all were swimming along with the rest of the fishes. So the group of fishes is known as school. Okay, school of fishes. So instead of saying group of fish, we used to say school. Okay. So one day the little fish was swimming along with all the big fishes. Then what happened? He was thinking that how much thankful the big fishes would be that they are big, right? Then suddenly what happened? Without any warning, they found themselves in the mesh of a great net. Mesh means thread-like structures which form the net. Okay, so they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. In a very big net they were caught. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up off the water into the sunlight, and just as its hull was being emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool water. How good it felt. Now what does that mean? That means, what happened after that? There was much floundering. Floundering means trying to escape. All the big fishes along with the small fishes, they were trying to escape, splashing the waters. And as soon as they were splashing the water, the fisherman draws the net into the sunlight, means out of the water. And what happened? He empties the net into his boat. Then what happened? The smallest fish slipped back into the water just because of her size. Just because of her size, she tried to escape out of the net and slipped back into the cool water. He swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him saying that he wished to be anything but a little fish. Now, after this incident, what happened? All the fishes who knew this little fish were saying that they haven't heard this little fish regretting on that she or he is a small fish, little fish. She never regrets on her size after that incident. Okay, so children, that was your chapter. That's all for today. Till then, bye bye.